Good morning everyone. My name is Dhanushri. I am studying in 6th standard English medium. My school name is Karnataka Public School. Today we are all going to present a small skit in front of you people. Name of the skit is A Chat with a Grasshopper. Please be with us. In this, me as a Ramya. Wow, what a beautiful insect. May I know your name, please? I am a summertime singer. I have several legs and asses. I am a former friend. Can you guess who I am? I think you are Ritik. Yes, I am a grasshopper. Where do you live? Where can we find you? I live in different places. Can you find 11,000 to 18,000 varieties of grasshopper in this world? Okay, my dear, tell me, how you fly? I have two sets of wings. Do you have wings, children? No, we don't have wings. We want to fly like you. Don't worry, children. I will teach you how to fly. We have two legs to walk, jump and run. How many legs do you have? I have three strong legs. I can jump, walk like you. Hoppy, how do we escape from enemies? Oh, they cannot catch me so easily. I have 5 eyes and pair of antenna. The sense danger, I will swiftly escape. Now you are not escape from us, are you? I am your friend, right? I trust you, not scared. Hoppy, we have 2 ears. Do you also have ears? Oh no, I don't have ears like you, but the antenna helps me pick up the vibration from the ground and air. Hoppy, I am very hungry. Rani, Raju, Ali, we are all going out for lunch. Would you like to join with us? No, I won't eat idli, dosa, rice and chapati like you. I eat wheat, oat, corn and barley. It's getting late, ma'am. Scored us. You need to go. Nice to meet you, Happy. Bye. Nice to meet you too. Take care. See you soon. Thank you.